United Kingdom, 67, and Venezuela, 1. In honor of those we lost on 9/11, and in honor of all armed forces and veterans who have been lost, and in honor of all men and women of public service who have been lost, the Peter Wallner Post of Cedarburg will now have a rifle volley followed by the playing of taps.
Rifle squad, attend!